Hi guys, Sam here from New Hampshire Aviation. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Copa Airlines 737 by Daron. So Copa Airlines is an airline based out of Panama, and it has a hub in Panama City and is part of the Star Alliance group. It is my first South American airline and I believe my 9th international airline. So let's get a look at this thing. So in the background, there's some tarmac, and then on the box, the logo is basically a globe with some, I don't know what that is, but in the back, there's a picture of the plane, and then on the other sides, there's a picture of the logo. So, let's open it. There it is. The logo is very similar to United's, and so is the color scheme. There is the cockpit. On the tail, there is the logo. The color scheme is white and gold and blue. And on the wingtips, there is also some blue. On the back, there is the flag of Panama. And there is the identification number. This plane is very similar to United for comparison. Here is a United 777. It is very similar. So that is the Copa Airlines 737. Thank you for watching. This is a nice plane. I like the wings. The wings are actually gray, not just silver. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.